Thank you for joining us as we are talking about Bible prophecy and we are looking at it come to pass right before our eyes. So let's take a look at the vine of Sodom. The electrical system that runs through the houses is part of the vine of the last days. Their vine is of the vine of Sodom, which is the physical wires. Their vine is of the vine of Sodom and of the fields of Gomorrah. The fields of Gomorrah are the wireless signals, the wireless network that comes from the vine of Sodom. It works together. The wireless signals are made through the electricity, through an antenna of the wire. So it is the vine of the last days. So now let's look at the fruit of the vine. The devices, the computers, the TVs, all of this is the fruit of the vine of the last days. So this is literal fruit. The Apple devices are on the end of the vine. It is their fruit. So let's look as the word of God comes to pass. For their vine, of the vine of Sodom and of the fields of Gomorrah, their grapes of gall, their clusters bitter. And the word bitter is H4846, morora, and that is poison. Once again, we can see that this has come to pass. Their vine, of the vine of Sodom and of the fields of Gomorrah, their grapes, the fruit of their vine, are of gall. Their clusters bitter. Their clusters poison. Their clusters are poison. These are poison. And we can see this, and we can see it literally fulfilled right before our eyes. So in James 5:3 it says, your gold and silver is cankered. And there is gold and silver in the electronics, in the iPhones. They have gold and silver. It is cankered, and the rust of them shall be a witness against you. The word rust is ios. It is the Greek word eos. It is spelled ios in English, and that is translated poison 2 times and rust 1 time. It is translated rust here in the context of metals, gold and silver. It is translated poison 2 other times. And that is the operating system. So when you look at the devices, you can see that this is Apple device, literal fruit on the end of a vine, an electric vine. Their fruit is poison. Now let's look at the operating system. As you may know, the iOS. It is the iOS system. It is the iOS operating system that's running on these devices. iOS, we just saw, is the Greek word for poison. These are literal poison. These are literal fruit on a vine, and they are called poison. Why are they called poison? Why does it say poison? Well, it's because the word of God has been fulfilled. It has been fulfilled right in front of us because it says your gold and silver is cankered. And that word cankered is a Greek word that means basically of rust or of poison or of iOS. So your gold and silver is of iOS. And the rust of them, the iOS of them, the poison of them, shall be a witness against you. And it just was. As you watched, as you looked at this video, you saw that the iOS is running on their fruit. You saw that their devices are actually called poison. It is a witness against you. It is a witness against us as we live in the last days. And that is exactly what it says. A witness against you. It is a witness against you. Proving once again that we are in the last days, because the vine of Sodom, the fields of Gomorrah, the wireless signal, the fruit of the vine, the poison, they are bitter, they are poison. The rust is a witness against them. Why is that? It is because we are in the last days. It is part of the writing on the wall that we can see. We can all see the writing on the wall because Yeshua is coming. Jesus is coming soon. So please, like this video, share this with everybody. You can see my videos on YeshuaIsComing.com or on SignOfFire.com or this YouTube channel. So thank you very much. Until next time.